Okay, good morning student. We are learning about the kingdom Animalia. What is the basic structure, basic feature of kingdom Animalia? See what is basic feature is there. See we have to see this animal kingdom. It is a multicellular and eukaryotic. Multicellular eukaryotic. See we have to see these organisms in animal kingdom. It is a multicellular is there, and they are eukaryotic cells is present in these organisms. Next we have to see these organisms has a locomotion. Locomotion. See, exception sponges and phylum Porifera. Exception sponges and phylum Porifera. We have to see mostly multicellular organisms is there. They have to move one place to another place, like reproduction, like food. See, so many activities. They have to move one place to another place. See, these organisms has a locomotion. See, not have plastid or non-green. See, is there plastids? No. Not have plastids. See, is there plastid? No, there is no plastids present in the animal kingdom. See, or non-green. We are calling non-green also. Non-green. Say multicellular, eukaryotic, locomotion except sponges and phylum Porifera. They can't locomotion. See, it is attached to the specific places. See these sponges and phylum Porifera. See, but so many not have plastids. See, it is a plants have a plastid. Plant kingdom has a plastids. They are preparing their own food substances. Next we have to see the central vacuole is absent. What is central vacuole is absent. See what said central vacuole is absent in animal cells, but it is some animal cells a central vacuole is small present. See, we have to see the central vacuole is present in big size in plant cell. See, reserved food is a glycogen. See, reserved food is a glycogen. Which food is there reserved? Glycogen is there. Glycogens. Next, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Plant doesn't have chlorophyll. See, they doesn't preparing their own food substances. See, it is a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. It is depend on the another organisms. Next, we have to see the growth take place up to adult. Growth take place take place up to adult. See, up to adult is a growth is a occurring in a animal kingdom, but we have to see the plant kingdom. It is a growth is a occurring the continuously in the plant kingdom. Next, here is a sexual and asexual mode of reproduction also occurring. So it is a sexual and asexual reproduction. See, here is occurring the sexual and asexual reproduction in animal kingdom. Next we have to see the genes. See, next one is during the sexual reproduction, gametes always haploid. During sexual reproduction, gametes always haploid. See, I have to write here 9th point. During sexual reproduction, gametes always haploid. Always haploid. We have to see the, for example, we have to see the, it is a 23 pair of chromosomes is there. 23 pair in male and female. Female also 23 pair. Here 22 is a autosomes and one pair is a sex chromosomes. Next here also 22 autosomes. One is a sex chromosomes. What will happen? Here getting the 22 plus X and here also male Y chromosomes and 22 plus Y X here. Okay, what will happen? Here we are getting the totally it is a 44 plus XY. Okay, see we have to write here also not 46. 46 is there. Here also 46. Not pair, only 46 chromosomes. Next we have to see the here 44 plus 2. Here also 44 autosomes, 2 sex chromosomes. See what will happen? 22Y, 22X. We are getting the finally 44. Means here is a 46. We are getting finally chromosomes. See this like it is a multicellular eukaryotic organisms is there. Locomotion also is present except sponges and phylum Porifera. Not have plastids. There is no plastids. There is no green. See, central vacuole is absent. See, reserve food is a glycogen. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is present. Next, growth takes place up to adult. Sexual and asexual reproduction is occurring. Next, during the sexual reproduction, gamete always haploid. See, we have to see the gamete always is a haploid. See, we have to see that this is a haploid. See here, 22 plus Y, 22 plus X is a not pair. It is a haploid is there. See, we are getting the 46. See, if we are getting the pair. See, this pair also this pair. What will happen? 46. 92. Means it is a so many variation is a occurring. That's why it is a always keeping the haploid in a nature.